Hi there, I'm Mike and I'd like to spend a couple of minutes telling you about my webinar, Creating and Using Pivot Tables in Excel. Pivot tables are one of the most powerful tools in Excel's data analysis armoury. They're used to build reports that summarise and analyse large amounts of raw data. With just a few clicks of the mouse and no complicated formulas, you can quickly and easily get from this, to this, from this, to this, and from this, to this. Pivot tables are often used to provide the underlying data for a dashboard, and that's why having a good understanding of what they are and what they can do is so important, especially for anyone whose job involves data analysis and report creation. In this session, you'll learn how to create and manipulate pivot tables, which help you to get answers to those important questions on which you base your key business decisions. Some of the areas that will be covered include best practice guidelines for setting up your data sources, formatting a pivot table to make it understandable and inviting to read, creating pivot tables that include percentages, differences, running totals, and calculations, creating a by-month summary where the source data doesn't include the month, using slicers to visually apply filters, and creating visual representations of the data in a pivot table. At the end of this session, you'll have a solid foundation that you can use to build your own pivot tables and reports. So, if you'd like to learn how to create powerful pivot tables in Excel, this webinar is for you. It's not a course for complete Excel beginners, but as long as you can create basic worksheets, understand simple formulas, and can copy and paste and apply basic formatting to cells, you'll be able to follow along.